Hello viewers, in this video I am going to teach you how to identify units rod and how to place numbers on units rod. First let me remind you about basics of abacus. If you have not seen that video, you can watch that video by clicking the link given in the description box. Now let us go to the topic how to identify units rod. Here on the center beam we can see 5 points. In this center point is the unit rod. This is the center point and this is the unit rod. Next to this is tens rod. Next to this is hundreds rod. Next is thousands rod. Next is 10,000 rod. Similarly, from this unit rod, if we go right side, all these positions belongs to decimals. We'll read about decimals later on. Next is how to identify the unit rod. We are having two options to identify the unit rod. One is out of these 5 dots, center dot, this belongs to the unit rod. Or if you are facing any difficulty in identifying the center point, you can turn your abacus tool backside. On the backside you can see one hole. This hole, because this belongs to this unit rod. Okay, this is the one. Now I will explain you how to place the numbers on abacus. Let me repeat you once again. These are the beats. Okay. This is the center beam. Okay. These all are upper beats and these all are lower beats. The value of upper bead is 5. The value of lower bead is 1. Now by using my right hand thumb finger, I will move the lower beads. By using my index finger, I will move the upper beads. Now I will place the number 1 on the abacus. By using my thumb finger, I will move the one lower bead up because the value of lower bead is 1. Now the value of abacus is 1. Now I will mark the value 2 on the abacus. By using my thumb finger, I will move one more bead up. Now the value of abacus is 2. Now I will mark the value 3. By using my thumb finger, I will move one more bead up. Now the value of abacus is 3. Now I will place the value 4. By using my thumb finger, I will move one more bead up. Now the value of abacus is 4. Now I will mark the value 5 on the abacus. By using my thumb finger, first I should clear all these lower beads. Now the value of abacus is 0. And now I want to select 5. By using my index finger, I will move the upper bead down. Now the value of abacus is 5. Now I want to select 6. Clear the abacus first. Now the value is 0. I want to mark the value 6 on the abacus. So the upper bead value is 5. By using my index finger, I will move the upper bead down on the units rod. And by using my thumb finger, I will move one bead up. Now the value of abacus is 6. The upper bead value is 5. So 5 and the value of lower bead is 1. 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now I want to mark the value 7. So I will move one more bead up. Now the value is 7. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now I want to select 8. Again I will move one more bead up. Now the value is 8. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. Now I want to move one more bead up. Now the value is 9. The value of upper bead is 5. 5 plus lower bead value is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. I want to clear the abacus. By using these two fingers, I will clear the abacus. Now the value of abacus is 0. Hope you have understood the concept of how to identify units rod and how to place numbers on units rod. If you have any queries or you want to give any feedback, just comment below. Your opinions means a lot for us. Thank you for watching.